Alright, so did you know that you can use this picture, okay, or this logo together with this flyer, okay, together with this flyer to generate a very nice video like this?
Introducing Boadiwa's Pops, a little pop of happiness in every bite.
Sweet, salty, milk, caramel, or spicy. Spicy. Choose your favorite pop of happiness.
Make your celebration extra special with Boadiwa's Pops. Book us for birthdays, weddings, parties, and events.
Alright, so let me show you how you can do this using just these two flyers, or the flyer and the logo, and some prompt from ChatGPT. So we are going to use two different websites. One is ChatGPT. Then from ChatGPT, we now go with another, or we go to another website called Google Flow. So type Google Flow, okay? You type Google Flow, then the first link that comes, select it. So you select Google Flow, then you sign up, okay? So I have already signed up, so let me sign out, and then we do it together. So you click here, and then you sign up with your detail, your email, and then your password. Alright, so once here, what you do is that you now head over to ChatGPT and then generate your flyer and then your logo that you want to use. If you need a prompt on how to do that, just send me hi and then I'll take you through that. So let me come to my commercial video. I have the prompt already in ChatGPT, so there's no need for me to worry myself. So I have the prompt here. Just come down and copy the prompt. Okay, so I have scene 1, so I just copy scene 1, copy everything from scene 1, then come to Google Flow, click on new project. Now Google Flow gives you 550 credits every day. Okay, so today they've given me 50 credits. Tomorrow, if I exhaust all the 50 credits, tomorrow they will give me another 50 credits. But then you can upgrade and then probably enjoy more scene or enjoy more video creation options. Now we have agents, and then we have the video generation tab. So when you click on the video, you have the agent is you are going to chat with the AI. Okay, so when you click on the video, we have image and then we have video. Okay, so video you'll be able to generate up to 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to use the 10 seconds. Now when you select everything, you select your ratio and everything, you come here and then you paste the prompt. So I have the prompt pasted here, but I've said that in the prompt you should make reference to image 1, which is the brand flyer, and then image 2, which is the exact brand logo. So I'm now going to upload these details. So what I'll do is that I'll come here, copy this, then have it pasted. So you wait for it to upload. You can go back, pick the other one, then have it pasted as well. So now you will have the two flyers. So the first one is uploaded nicely, which is the logo, and let's wait for the flyer to also upload. Alright, so the flyer is also uploaded. Now let's create our video. Okay, so as you can see, our video is still creating. The AI is now working on the video for us, so let's give it some time. All right, now the video is ready. So once I click on this,
introducing Boadiwa's Pops, a little pop of happiness in every bite.
all right, so you can only do 10 seconds. So you do 10 seconds, 10 seconds, then you can put everything together. So if you like the video, just comment next or part 2, and then I'll show you how to create different sections and then put them together. Bye.